Understanding the phrase, eat up. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive deep into the phrase, eat up. This is a common English phrase that has a variety of uses and nuances. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video will provide clarity on how to use and understand eat up. Let's get started. The most straightforward meaning of eat up is simply an encouragement or a command to finish eating something. Example: a mother might tell her child, eat up your vegetables if you want dessert. Here, eat up means to consume all the food, especially when there's a sense of urgency or encouragement. Eat up can also have different implications based on the context. 1. To consume quickly. It can imply that someone is eating rapidly or with enthusiasm. 2. He was so hungry, he ate up his meal in no time. 3. To absorb or use resources. Beyond food, eat up can refer to using a lot of a particular resource. 4. Running those high-end video games really eats up my computer's battery. While eat up is common, there are related phrases in English that convey a similar sentiment. 1. Gobble up. This means to eat something quickly and eagerly. 2. The dog gobbled up the treat. 3. Lap up. This can mean to drink quickly or to accept something with enthusiasm, often used figuratively. 4. The audience lapped up the speaker's every word. So, there you have it. The phrase, eat up, is not just limited to finishing your plate. It has nuances that stretch beyond the dining table. English is filled with such vibrant expressions, and understanding them can enhance your communication skills. I hope you found this video informative. Keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language. See you in the next video.